Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets to see if they live up to the hype. Today, we're looking at the Perlegear electric ceiling TV mount, model PGC-M12B. A motorized ceiling mount designed for TVs between 32 and 75 inches, supporting up to 110 pounds. If you've ever struggled with finding the perfect viewing angle or wanted a sleek, clutter-free setup, this product might just be the solution. The Perlegear ceiling mount is engineered for full motion flexibility. It allows you to tilt your TV from 0 to 80 degrees and swivel left or right up to 90 degrees. This makes it ideal for spaces where multiple viewing positions are needed, like living rooms, bedrooms, or even home gyms. The mount is operated either with the included remote or through the Perl Mount app, which gives you control over your TV's position from your phone. You can save up to 4 custom positions with the remote and 6 with the app, meaning you can switch between your favorite angles with a single touch. Stability and durability are key features here. The mount is made from cold-rolled steel and comes with a wider ceiling bracket and a thicker actuator rod. It has passed rigorous load testing, so it can reliably hold heavier TVs up to its 110-pound limit. The flip-down mechanism is fast, moving from ceiling to viewing position in about 30 seconds. And after installation, you can adjust the TV's alignment by up to 3 degrees for precise leveling. Installation is surprisingly straightforward for a motorized mount. It comes with clear instructions, a drilling template, and labeled hardware, making it possible to get your TV set up efficiently. There's even a cable management system built in to keep wires tidy and out of sight, helping maintain that clean, modern look. The Perlegear electric ceiling mount is compatible with most flat and curved TVs and supports VESA patterns. It's important to note that this mount is designed for flat ceilings and 16-inch wood joists, so sloped ceilings aren't supported. Overall, the PGC-M12B promises convenience, stability, and a high degree of control over your viewing experience. If you're looking to elevate your TV setup, literally, this motorized ceiling mount could be a strong contender. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more detailed gadget breakdowns, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.